Meow. So here we are with this Tuxedo kitty. This is kind of a heart shape here. You notice that? I'm just looking for shapes to map kitty out. And just kind of correcting, adjusting as I go. Feel out where the paws need to go. I kind of just trust my gut for a lot of this stuff. I sort of measure with my intuition, I guess. Gonna adjust that a bit. That's where that shoulder comes up. I'm just getting the general shapes now, and I'll start aiming for character in a little bit. There's an eye line to help place the eyes. Tighten up a little more when I start doing the eyes because I want to get them in the right place. Make sure they line up with each other. Okay. If they're a little bit off, it gives them a bit of character. See how that mouth appears there? There we go. Bring it to life a little, hey? Now Kitty's looking at us. Now I can start refining a little and strengthening up lines. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, what kind of cat you want to learn to draw, and I'll do my best to get it on here. Or just tell me about yourself or your cat or where in the world you live. Really starting to add some expression now. Just the tiniest little difference in a line can make a huge difference in expression, and you just got to kind of play with it. You know, spend lots of time doing gesture sketching and just play, and you will find your own voice as an artist. As an awesome cat artist you want to be. We were going 2.5 times the speed, and I'm voicing over here, and now it's at 4 times the speed, so we're gonna just boogie through it here and create some expression and enhance what we've got. Okay, so just a suggestion of those tuxedo markings. And my lines are pretty jagged and they don't show a lot of hair suggestions yet, but when I start shading them in, that's when that will appear. There we go. Not a full tuxedo coat, but partial tuxedo cat here. I kind of like Kitty. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.